What's up guys, Joey here, Tech, and last time we already kinda checked out the OPPO F11 Pro Avengers edition, but in that video what Miguel did not tell you is that I'm also worthy. Alright, so last time we just checked out the phone itself with that really cool design, but now here we have the retail box that you would get if you were to buy this phone. So let's open it up and see what you get inside. We're professionals. Alright, so opening up the box, you got this really cool, what do you call it? You're greeted with this sort of panel here with all 6 original Avengers. So you have Thor, Captain America, Iron Man, Black Widow, Hawkeye, and the Hulk. So when you lift this up and go to the other end, you have their symbols. There you go. And for you collectors out there, this comes with the box. It's like a gold medallion. There you go. Avengers Endgame, only in theaters. And the Avengers logo. So, yep. It's made of metal. Then you get the phone itself. There you go. Let's just unwrap that real quick so we can appreciate its glory once again. There you have the space blue color over here with the Avengers logo in red. You also get an Avengers accent over here in the pop-up selfie camera. And let's let that turn on for now. Alright, let's set this aside. Now what else do you get in the box? You have your VOOC charger and your VOOC charging cable and a pair of earphones. Alright, so you get your case here with a Captain America inspired design. You get that pop socket over here. So the finish is kind of like a synthetic leather kind of thing, and on the inside you have felt to protect your finish of your phone, and more Avengers logo here. Copyright Marvel, and another Avengers Endgame logo here. Alright, another thing that I don't think we checked out in the original video. Let's just set this up real quick. Alright. So you get standard color OS, but you do get this specially designed Avengers wallpaper. Looks very nice. Again, you get your red accented power button over here. Alright. Say hello, Top Shot. Hello. Alright, so there we go. For the collectors out there, when you buy the F11 Pro Avengers Edition, you get this nice box you can add to your collection. You get the phone, of course, with this really cool finish. You get a Captain America inspired case, and you get this collectible gold-colored medallion. So that's it for this video, guys. Again, the OPPO F11 Pro Avengers Edition is priced at 19,990 pesos. And again, for this limited edition phone, aside from the Avengers design and the collectibles, you get 128 gigabytes of internal storage instead of 64 from the standard F11 Pro. So that's it. That wraps this up. If you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon to miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yougettech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey. This has been the OPPO F11 Pro Avengers Edition. I'll see you in the next one.
And from as good and worthy.